Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today we are doing a special video. We are going to be taste testing all of these keto cereals. It is going to be your ultimate keto cereal taste test review. So let's get started. I've got my daughter Audrey here. I almost said daughter Jennifer for some reason. I've got my daughter Audrey here, and she's going to help me taste test because you know, kids and cereal, they are the ultimate taste testers for cereal. So we've got several brands and flavors. There's so many keto cereals out there right now. And they range from like granola, which I do have one granola here, and I'll get into this one in a minute. But they range from granola to like just popped like chickpea or tapioca starch and pea protein and stuff like that. So depending on your version of keto, some of these may not be what you consider keto. And that's okay. You can just choose to move on and not try these cereals. But some people they love a good cereal, and they miss it, and they want something that is more keto friendly, as in less carbs. Not really looking at the ingredients too much, just strictly looking at carb count. And we're going to taste them and see if they hold up to the hype. First of all, first one we want to do, because she really wants to try Magic Spoon. We've got, which one did you want to try? The fruity? This one. Okay. So these are it came in an 8-pack on Amazon, 8 packs of the Magic Spoon cereal in these individual cups. Let me tell you, we're going to get into cost too. We got 8 of these little single serve things, so 8 servings of cereal for $27. So there's that. Keto cereal is a little expensive. So, ooh, isn't this cute? There's the fruity. We don't have to put these in bowls because they're already in their little cups.
Yo, where's our spoons?
Yo, where's our spoons? Use your fingers. Try a couple of them. Let me see.
It was really fruity.
Really fruity?
Really fruity.
Mmm,
I really like that.
that's really good.
It goes great.
It would go great with milk. Sorry, we don't have any. We'll open this cocoa one. Mmm, that fruity is really good. I think that's...
Good, that should be new cereal.
That should be your new cereal?
Yo, that is good. Okay, we should try the peanut butter one last.
I know you don't like peanut butter. Try the chocolate. Mmm. Oops. Don't pick it up. It's fine. Throw it away. What do you think? Oh. Could be chocolatier. It's not very chocolatey.
It tastes like powder. For me.
Yeah. I get a little bit of chocolate at the end. Okay. This one is frosted.
Oh, I love frosting.
You love frosting. It's pretty good.
I like that one.
I like it. I like it.
I really like it.
Now I'm getting a little bit of the cocoa aftertaste. Okay. Your nemesis, peanut butter.
My worst enemy.
Your worst enemy.
I hate. Oh no. I don't like peanut butter.
You don't have to try it.
Please, I don't like peanut butter.
That's good.
I
So,
think my favorite one so far is this one.
the fruity, you like the fruity the best?
Okay, I kind of
I think the frosted is good. You want to try it? It really doesn't have much of a peanut butter. It's okay. So the ingredients on these, excuse me. Apparently this has 4 net carbs. Like I said, it was an 8-pack for $27, which is expensive. The ingredients aren't bad. It's got sunflower oil, which I don't really care for. peanut flour, chicory root, inulin, stuff like that, you know, fibers and stuff. So, you know, just keep that in mind if that's something that you don't really like to eat. It's like, I mean, it's expensive. Like, I don't know if it's even more expensive, I mean, cheaper on the website. We can see. So my favorite cereal is Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Mine too.
Yours too. So this one is very, I mean, they're really gonna, I don't know, like questioning, I mean, did Cinnamon Toast Crunch make this? Looks very similar. So we're gonna try it.
I really hope cinnamon, like it tastes similar.
You hope it tastes like it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. It says 1 net carb. A serving is 2/3 of a cup, 115 calories. Oh God, she's mind blown. One net carb. It does have a palm kernel oil, which isn't so bad. The ingredients in this is really, I'm impressed with the ingredients. 115 calories for 2/3 of a cup. But the one downside, it was $15. This bag was $15. You don't like it? It's not Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
The first bite, it was just like, oh my goodness, this is Cinnamon Toast Crunch, but it's not that very
The
good.
texture is weird.
I don't like it.
I don't like it. Yeah.
We
I don't like
love
that
Cinnamon
texture.
Toast Crunch, but that kind of Cinnamon Toast Crunch keto, no.
Well, here's another Cinnamon Toast Crunch variety. This is Catalina Crunch. Ooh, I didn't like that at all. Ugh. Ugh, it's got a bad taste in my mouth.
Ow.
This one, I mean, let's see. It says it's keto, but I don't think, I mean, I guess. It's got 6 net carbs, apparently, in a half a cup. I got this at Costco for, oh, I don't know how much this one was. I don't know how much it is. I tried to look for it. It's got sunflower oil. I'm not too happy about that. Pea protein, potato fiber, corn fiber, chicory root fiber, tapioca flour. Let's try it.
Let's try it.
I think it is actually, I think I remember tasting this. It looks very similar to Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Yeah. Wait, I can't even taste flavor.
I think it tastes pretty similar to Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Yeah,
That's
because
pretty
you
good.
can't really taste the flavor.
That's pretty good. Here, I'm just gonna.
This one's bad, this one's good.
Okay, next up, I didn't know when I bought this it was unsweetened. This is 3 Wishes. I guess it's kind of like an oat cereal, but it's not oats, it's chickpea, tapioca, pea protein, and salt. This box was $10 on Amazon.
So expensive.
Yeah. Let's try it. I'm not hopeful because it's unsweetened. Audrey, this is probably not gonna be very good. Good luck.
Hold your nose.
Yeah. I mean, it tastes like nothing. Like, why would you eat this? Who would want to eat this?
Nothing.
Who would want to eat this?
I don't even know the flavor.
Flavor is.
I don't even know.
Oh my God, that's so yucky. Who would want to eat just no flavored cereal? Ugh. Ugh.
Ew.
Ugh, that was really bad. No.
Okay, okay, next cereal,
Okay.
can we try that one?
Oh, you want to try the fruity?
I really want to try it.
Okay, let's try that. So this is
in love with
fruity stuff. Okay. This is high key protein cereal. This box, y'all, was $8, which is cheaper than the. Ooh, oh my God! What's in these ingredients?
Okay.
Oh, it's got turmeric in it for the color. I'm like, this is bright. You might want a spoon for this one. It's little. Hold on, I'll get one. That's a mess. Hold on, let me get a spoon. Oh no. Where do you spit it out? Over there in the trash can.
In the box.
That is not good.
In the box. Spit it.
Ugh. What does this taste like?
Feet.
No, it's like so like crunchy sweet.
It's so bad.
Okay, don't be so dramatic. That tastes like sprinkles.
Yo,
I
I was
don't
just
know.
like, oh, this tastes so good. I was just like, I'm not a fan.
No, not a fan. Not a fan. Let's try the chocolate one.
Okay, so
Here, we'll just do this. How do you open this? There we go. Okay, so the high key cereals are 90 calories for a half a cup. There are 8 servings in here. You know, half a cup serving is nothing hardly. Look at, so the cereal starts right here, just so you know. This is empty, here's cereal. Yeah. Full disclosure here. And this box, like this would be someone serving the cereal, honestly. This box was $12. Yeah. It says it has 0 net carbs. Usually high key stuff is pretty good. I'm really surprised about that fruity cereal because it was not good. I don't have high hopes for this.
I don't know.
Yeah, it
Okay,
smells.
You go first.
You go first? You go first?
Yeah, you go. Tell me it's good. It's bad. Can't really.
I don't like the texture.
I don't know. It looks like dirt.
It's got MCT in it. I don't know. Try it. It's not as bad as the other one. No. Yeah. We're really striking out here.
I'm telling the truth.
She's like, I'm telling the truth. Okay, yes, we know. Okay, this is the last high key one. This is honey nut. Here, let me dump this.
I'll probably like this one better.
I don't know. I don't have high hopes. I just don't like the texture.
Okay, you're gonna put everything
It's
in one
fine.
bowl.
It's fine. Okay.
Last cereal, right? This is the last cereal.
This is, well, then we've got a granola, but I already know I like it. Okay, I don't know which.
Here,
It don't matter. You're my daughter. Okay. No. It's got that same texture.
I like it.
You like it? I don't
I
like
like
the
it.
texture.
Yo, that's good.
Yo. Yo, that's good.
That's
So good? Okay.
I think it's
So
better
so
than
far,
that one.
really? You like it better than the fruity? Okay. So this is a winner. This is a winner. Did you like this one? The Magic Spoon, the frosted, that's a winner. That's it.
No, this one's
That one was good. Yeah.
kind of.
The Catalina Crunch. And I like that it's at Costco. And I bet you this was probably like $10. It's a pretty good sized bag.
I love this cereal.
Okay, so last but not least is my favorite. This is more of a granola. This is Sola granola. And it is, so one serving is 2/3 of a cup or 1/3 of a cup. And I put it on my yogurt. It's really good on yogurt, but one serving is 4 net carbs for the full serving. The half serving is 2 net carbs, the snack serving. And this one is maple pecan chocolate. I get it at Kroger, regular grocery store. It's like, I don't know how much it is, probably less than $5. But I really like it on my granola. Man, don't. I mean, Magic Spoon, they're kind of like tested, like a lot of influencers have tested these. These are good. I would say Magic Spoon would be the go-to cereal. If you're just really wanting a cereal, go for the Magic Spoon. And she likes this high key. I just didn't really care for it. Or, you know, this
you don't like
Catalina. No.
Okay, so what was the worst Keto?
The least, oh gosh, that high key fruity. This one right here. This was this one or this one. These two were, oh, of course this one. Oh gosh. It's just hard to choose which one was the worst. Anyway, guys.
Say that pink one.
The pink box, yeah. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and my taste test partner. Hopefully she'll be in future videos, maybe this summer. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. And say bye.
Bye.